In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent text in Mailchimp. If you're looking to make your emails and campaigns look more tailored and professional, knowing how to properly indent your text can be invaluable. Whether you're working on a small manual indent or a more customized look with inline CSS, this guide will walk you through the process one step at a time. First, you'll want to start by navigating over to Mailchimp. Once you're logged into your account, go ahead and open the email or campaign you're working on. This is where we'll be implementing the various indentation techniques. If you want a quick, simple indent for something like a short paragraph or a list, you can use the space bar. Begin by placing your cursor right at the start of the line you wish to indent, then simply hit the space bar a few times. This method is best for those instances when you have a handful of lines or a small portion of text that needs a basic indentation look. While not the most precise method, it's quick and fairly effective for small adjustments. For those times when you're looking for a more refined appearance, using inline CSS allows for enhanced control. Within Mailchimp's text editor, you'll need to access the code view. This can be done by switching to the HTML or source mode, depending on your setup. Once there, locate the opening tag of the paragraph or piece of text you're aiming to indent. Add the style attribute right there, typing out style margin left 20px. This CSS will move your text 20 pixels to the right, creating an indentation. Feel free to increase or decrease the number before the px to adjust the amount of indent to suit your needs precisely. Another built-in feature that comes in very handy in Mailchimp is its list functionality. It offers the easiest method for creating indented text. When you create either a bulleted or numbered list, Mailchimp automatically provides indentation to each item in the list. If you desire the indentation without bullets or numbers, just go ahead and create the list initially and then simply delete the bullets or numbers, leaving you with the nicely spaced text you wanted. With these techniques at your disposal, you can make your Mailchimp campaigns not only well organized but also visually appealing. Now that you understand how to indent text effectively, give it a try in your next email or campaign. Practice a bit and find the best technique that suits your style and requirements. Thanks for watching and happy emailing!